that about? Well, that was me being really happy because I had just been to a restaurant for the first time in months and months because they've all been closed down here. I have missed going out to eat because it's one of the things I really love to do. But on the other hand, I have been trying to lose, I was going to say weight, but the fact is that I've been trying to lose 2 sizes because I don't care if I'm 300 pounds as long as I can fit into my size 6 jeans. And I realized that with all the exercise that I had been doing, whether it was sports like tennis or shooting baskets, working out with my cat, 1, 2, 3, 4, or doing the exercise routine that I do at home, which is linked in the video below, I was not losing any significant amount of weight. Obviously, one of the big factors was eating out in restaurants, because in the last 15 months, I am now down 15 pounds. And I have about 5 pounds to go before I can comfortably fit into all the jeans that I love. Now, the pair of jeans that I'm wearing right now is actually pretty old, which you can tell from the color. I don't know what kind of blue they call this. They fit really comfortably, except I still have these handles. And one big thing that I no longer do, which I know has been significant, is no snacking. So what I do now is get up in the morning, have a coffee or a tea, and then I don't eat anything until 11:30 or 12. And after 6 o'clock or possibly 7 on the weekends, that's it. I'm done eating. So it'll be very interesting to see when the restaurants open again. If I'm not going to stop going completely, but I think I will go less. And I definitely will avoid the bread baskets. Yes, I will have the occasional light beer. A case of 12 will last me a whole month, if not more, depending on how thirsty I am.